Hey, what's up, everybody? Good morning. It's me, Shy. Anyways, I made it to Lake Camanche, South Shore Pond. Yesterday they planted some rainbow and lightning, so I'm here to see if I can catch some. So we'll see how it goes. Last night there was a big thunderstorm, or just a lot of rain, and even coming over here today there was a lot of rain. So looks like that kind of might have kept a lot of people out from coming out and stuff. So I know a lot of people don't like fishing in the rain, but I got my raincoat on, all my rain gear here. So I'm gonna see if I can catch hopefully one or limit out. Hopefully I don't skunk, so stay tuned, and I'll get back with you guys later. Once again, if you guys been watching and you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, remember to hit that subscribe button. All right, peace. Man, there we go, guys. Just barely got here. Got lightning. Let's go. Oh, got him.
Me dijo un vato cómo pescar, porque yo nunca había pescado este pedo.
Oh, damn, popped off again. Get on your side, bro. My bad. Sorry.
You want me to let it?
Oh no, you good. You guys are good. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it, though.
Right.
Thank you. Get out of your way, bro. But I've been getting into these new things, spoons and stuff, man. So check it out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, these are, I guess, check that out, guys. A nice little rainbow. What's up, everybody? It's me, Shy. About to call it a day here at Lake Camanche, South Shore Pond. As you can see, it's pouring like crazy. Man, I only caught 2 trout, so hey, I didn't skunk, but it was pretty fun. So wanted to get my limit, but couldn't do it. It's all right. I got 2. I'm happy with that. But man, it's just downpouring right now. I don't know if you can see it behind me, but yeah. Gonna call it a day. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment. Sometimes you gotta brave the storm, So like I said, if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and hit that bell icon so it updates you as soon as I upload a new video. Alright. Before I go, I want to give a big shout out to Jared and Toast Custom Jigs, Jockey Official, One Shot from Masberry 559, and of course David Victor from Divas Custom Rods. Thanks for watching, guys. Man, I am soaked. Alright, guys. Peace. The wet one.